Hi everybody, a very good afternoon, 12:45 by the wall, Justine Kapani from India. Forget my designation, forget my rank, forget what I do. I'm just on your screens to let you know that I find people popping in these medicines at a drop of a hat. Sar dard ho raha hai, पेट दर्द हो रहा है, उल्टी आ रही है, टांग में दर्द हो रहा है, नेक में पेन हो रहा है और दांत में दर्द हो रहा है, आँखों में दर्द हो रहा है, कमर में दर्द हो रहा है और सीरियस इशू है तो दर्द हो रहा है, यू नो चल नहीं पा रहे तो मेडिसिन खा लीजिए, चलो यू कांट हैव अ मेडिसिन स्प्रे कर लीजिए, ज़बरदस्ती you go and talking about the same issue repetitively and stuff. So the point is to break this habit of the point is to break this habit of uh, continuously talking about your health concern. So one is to have a chat about it and find a solution to it and work on it, and probably rope in medical assistance or a professional's help in it, and your family and your loved ones work as a team on it with you and stuff. And the second is, for everything you keep only talking about it and do nothing about it. So then what happens is that you don't come out of that issue. It just becomes a part of your psyche. It just becomes a part of your daily thingy to only talk about it and discuss it until the time you're not spoken about your health or something. You're at the mercy of other people to make you feel good or to get it out of your system and stuff. So why did I share about all these things? Because I find people, including myself, I've also been through this of having tablets and stuff. But for a very long time, having a medicine is the last resort for me. Till the time, a doctor doesn't step in and tell me that, ma'am, professionally speaking, you got to take in your medicine and stuff. I avoid having a medicine. The first thing I do is normally go and see a doctor, and I take opinions of at least 3 to 4 people and stuff. I've seen this is the case of my neck cervical. I'm now using that as an example. I avoid speaking about it because that was the most horrific experience of my life. And with that, I had my, wisdom tooth and my tooth pain happening, and I had, because of this pollution and stuff, and then my back and everything. So the point is, I'm using that as a reference here to enlighten people that avoid overusing medicine and stuff. Try going in for meditation, try doing yoga, try playing a sport, and try and take 3 4 opinions and stuff, because many times even the regular diagnosis what we are given is not to be trusted and stuff. Okay, a small example is that when I talk to people, other generations or corporate people gave me some other perspectives, sports people gave me some other perspectives, grandparents gave me some other perspective, my parents gave me some other perspective, working people gave me some other perspectives and stuff, doctors gave me some other perspectives about how to sleep, how to walk, how to sit, how to not look into my computer, what to avoid, what to not do and stuff. But the point is, when I applied all of that in the first year, I did feel good for a bit, but when my medicines changed, I started feeling worse. And what I realized is, till the time the doctor was at the government hospital, and he had no, he had no, I would say, goals to achieve in terms of corporate selling or whatever. He was not giving me medicines and stuff. And the moment he shifted to a private hospital, he started giving me medicines and stuff which worked against me. And rather than feeling better, I was feeling worse. And that's when my antenna said, Kuch garbad hai, and I called up another doctor, and I went and saw a doctor close by. And the doctor told me completely opposite, and I had to change my medicines, and I had to resort to normal things of, sleeping with a normal pillow or using a normal cushion, doing away with a cervical pillow, exercising, doing yoga, doing aerobics, which I was any which ways doing on the back. I had not left myself to a doctor because I'd given up this thing, ki doctor is everything in today's world and stuff. I've seen this a lot in my gym, a lot of cases where people were given false diagnosis that their back is broken and they have to go through a surgery and stuff, and that guy is still without a surgery working out in my gym. I've seen this in the case of a lot of other people also, and I saw students in hospitals when I went to a defense hospital where at the age of 14, 18, 24, because they were playing they were playing sports like hockey and stuff, and they had to bend their neck. They had neck cervical. There was a girl, she's a hockey player, she had neck cervical at 18, so I saw all of that and stuff, and I realized that it's not just a lifestyle thing for corporate people. It can happen to anybody and everybody. So the point is this, that now with the weather changing, with the pollution and stuff, where there is more happening, like nausea happening, and there is, you're feeling gaseous in the system and stuff. So now what? Again, medicines. So I tried the Ghar Ka Nuskas and stuff. They've not worked. So I've gone to a doctor again. So again, normal medicines, course for 5 days or whatever. बंदा कितनी दवाइयाँ खाए, you know what I mean? So the point is, I feel this, that हमारी body एक sacred temple की तरह है. If we keep having so many medicines, you are going to mess up and stuff. So what's very important is that simultaneously you strengthen up your immunity, you strengthen it up with Ghar Ke Nuske also, and you work on strengthening your body, not just physically but also mentally. You got to become a little stronger and more determined that I'm not going to let any illness bog me down or any negative story get me down and stuff. So always a good idea to focus on recovery and stuff. So today I met my coach. He was like, so what are you up to? Why are you wearing this thing on your left leg? Because I got pain in my left leg and I've been avoiding the gym. Yesterday I came for a short bit and I went back and I made up my mind last night I'm going to be in my gym in the morning today. No matter what challenge I had at home and stuff, or personal challenge, I'm here. So I decided I'm going to be in my gym. I'm going to put everything else on a back burner. My health is most important and I'm going to do it, and I'm here in my gym. So the point is, this is how not being too over focused and over structured or over disciplined also helps you, because then you're clear about what you want to achieve, and then people in your environment and people in your own circle at home, at office, and other circles also know you that ye to karke rahegi. If she said it, she's going to go. She's going to go. She will do it, and that's what I did. I just said I'm in my gym. I met my coach, and I done my workout and stuff. And I want to leave people on this thought that avoid popping up pills, because it's not a very good practice and stuff. They become addictive as well. And I'll share a picture today on social media. I will show you the number of tablets I have at home. So the last few days I was cleaning up my room and I was cleaning up the number of tablets I have, and I was looking at those and I was saying, I really wish I don't have to have those. I've got this one box, and if I were to open the 4 other boxes I have, you'll say, people normally collect jewelry, people open up boxes of chocolates and stuff like that, but here I have got boxes of tablets and stuff. So anyways, that's a different story altogether. I don't want to make it sound so pathetic, but this is one reality of life. Please avoid having too many medicines and stuff, and it's always a good idea to soak up the sun and stay fit. Wear a mask if you have to go out and stuff. If you wake up feeling nausea, like me, for a couple of days I've been feeling a little heavy in the head, and yes, it is the AQI, it's high, it's like 600 and 400 and 300, and it's never happened to me before, never ever. Till last year I was able to cope with it, and I used to say, yeah, ye fauji log, army log, or regular log jo laborers hai, how do they deal with it, and now I realize that probably it's because of last 2 years of being too much of indoors and everything, that maybe I'm not able to deal with it. But anyways, I'm going to get back on it. So in the nutshell is avoid popping in medicines and stuff, exercise, work on your fitness regimes, work on your health, become stronger, become mentally more, focused on your goals and stuff, and see a doctor and take 3 or 4 more opinions, because in today's world you never know. It's become a business as well. Yes, it is a good practice. There are lots of good doctors out there, but some of them are not that great as well. Okay, so that's one reality we are living with. So jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com, and justinKapanioffice@gmail.com. So in the end, founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design, and we are in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And I'm also into fitness, and I'm into a lot of other things, but it seems like life is back on track. The weather is good and stuff. So follow me if you like to on social media and on YouTube, and do send prayers and good energy to other people, because the more positivity and the good energy we send to the world, the better it becomes. So love and luck and take care. Have fun. Bye bye. Cheers.